got great feedback from the Giro users that they love their Giro, they love the handles, they love the wheels, but they need more package space. And we decided to design a check-in bag and to merge it with our big wheels that actually make huge difference in regards to all the duffels that are in the market.
The check-in is a bigger version of the Giro and the kind of bag that you can both check in and easily maneuver through an airport. It's not like a normal duffel. It's got just as much room and lots of extra pockets, but it rolls like a Giro. The check-in will get you over cobblestones, over gravel, over grass. It will get you over curbs and through an airport faster and easier than any other bag.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I wanted to tell you about Humangear's new utensil line, the Gobites. There's the Uno, Duo, and Trio. We made the Gobites from a proprietary nylon material that's virtually unbreakable. While other utensils may not hold up, there's a reason we back the Gobites with a lifetime warranty. The Uno's U shape is ergonomic, and we improved the fork and spoon ends. The spoon is deep enough for soup and designed to scrape up every last piece of food. The fork tines are long enough for pasta, and the tapered splitter tines easily cut up softer foods. The Duo has the same optimized fork and spoon ends and adds some neat tricks of its own. You can use the fork and spoon separately or connect them together for a tool that's even longer than most extra long utensils. So it's no sweat to reach into deep containers without getting sauce all over your hands. The Trio packs a full-size fork, spoon, and knife into an ultra-thin case. The tools feature the same optimized ends and they're accessible separately. Just grab the one you want. The Trio's knife is sharp enough to cut chicken, and it even has a bottle opener. We think you'll like the toothpick too. So that's the Gobites lineup. Super strong, ergonomic, smart, and backed 100% by our lifetime warranty. The Gobites Uno, Duo, and Trio, the civilized tools for eating on the go, only from Humangear.
Given all the gadgets and gear we have these days, it's just too much stuff to carry in your pockets. You could use a backpack, but it's annoying lugging around a bag everywhere. Well, we're looking to change the way you view everyday carry. Introducing the ultimate everyday carry jacket by Global Travel Clothing. These jackets are loaded with storage for everything you could possibly carry. Pockets for your iPad, hidden pockets for your valuables, and even softline pockets, perfect for preventing things like your phone or sunglasses from getting scratched, with a built-in glass cleaning cloth. The jackets come in two unique styles. The soft shell jacket is heavy-duty, waterproof, and comes in a variety of colors. The sweatshirt is great for when you just want to stay warm and also comes in a multitude of great colors. The jackets have a ton of unique features, like side vents to help regulate your temperature, water bottle compartments to keep you hydrated, and custom loops that prevent your earbuds from falling out of place. Plus, the sleeves are removable, so you can even wear it as a vest. Given the storage capacity, it also makes for the perfect travel jacket. Wearing one is like being able to bring a third bag with you on your journey. Plus, it offers unique travel features, making it the perfect jacket to get you to your destination. Like a built-in eye mask to help you get some sleep.
Make clean, pure, drinkable water from any fresh water source with a Ripuri stainless steel water bottle. Using a replaceable two-step filtration system that filters physical and molecular particles, Ripuri's filtration system filters up to 99.99% of heavy metals, urban contaminants such as chlorine and microorganisms. Ripuri meets FDA requirements for food and beverage storage. And it's dishwasher safe. Removable top and bottom lids allow Ripuri to be filtered quickly. You can collect water from rivers, drinking fountains, or any fresh water source. And the included pump helps increase water flow, so you can drink every last drop of delicious purified water. When you're traveling, you'll no longer have to worry about the quality of the water you're drinking. Purify your water with Ripuri so you don't have to risk your health. Ripuri is also useful in emergency situations when your drinking water may be compromised. With Ripuri, you'll be more environmentally responsible. One Ripuri filter can save over 600 plastic bottles from entering our landfills and oceans. Now you can stop buying bottled water and make your own purified, filtered water system wherever you are. Make clean, pure, drinkable water from any fresh water source with a Ripuri stainless steel water bottle.